Today I'm going to be potting up a gift for someone. It's their birthday today and we're hosting them. And she really likes my plants, so I decided to surprise her with an arrangement. But before I start that, let me talk to you about a few things. 5 and Below has these pots here, and they have a smaller one. This is a 8-inch pot, $3, guys. That's really good. And then this one was 2, super cute. I drilled a hole. And then the next thing that I want to talk about is CVS. CVS has, and if you guys are signed up with CVS to get coupons, they send you 40% off. You can use that towards their plants. Right now, at least at my CVS, they have plants. Guys, I got this for $6, the whole thing. Each of these plants at Home Depot or Lowe's will be $5 each, and then minus the pot, you know. That's an awesome deal. So I just want to give you the heads up on that. Go ahead. If you haven't ever signed up with CVS, not sponsored, just let you know you should, so you can get those coupons and use them for when they have plants. That's a pretty good deal. They have succulents and cacti and Horthias, I saw. But anyways, I'll be choosing from those and some other plants that I have to make an arrangement for her. I have to be mindful that she's going to be putting this by her window where she gets bright light. So, I'm not sure how they're going to do. I mean, I'll give her some advice. But yeah. For those of you that saw my video yesterday, thank you for all the awesome comments. Remember I told you guys that I messed up on the carpet and the bristles on one was going the opposite direction than the others. This morning I was able to sit there and fix it. So I'm really happy with it now. Now it looks cohesive. So that looks really good. So I'm happy with that. Right now I'm just mixing my soil as usual. Turfus and cactus soil. I'm trying to be very quickly because, well, I was procrastinating in making this. So yeah. Okay. So I know I want to use some of those plants, but I just don't know exactly which ones. Definitely this one. The fairy castle. It's really pretty one. I'm just loosening up the root ball. That's it. Nothing major. Needs more soil. I hope it doesn't rain so that people can enjoy sitting out here and you know, they're going to be going into the pool and stuff like that. So I'm also going to use this other one. It's got some really pretty pink flowers. Ow, that hurts. Ow. I'm just breaking up the root ball. This soil is very dry and it has a lot of perlite, so oh, my hands got itchy. And I'm going to bring in a succulent into this. Like I've told you guys before, the Echeveria lilacina is a very good plant that does well in sun and also in bright light. She doesn't stretch. This plant here, she's been in here for a long time. I want to say a year. And she has not grown, but obviously it's because of the pot, the size of the pot, and she hasn't produced any babies. But she's been very healthy other than that. So I'm going to take her out of here and hopefully maybe she'll produce babies for her in her new home. Trying to keep this as clean as possible. it's not easy cleaning what is it? Soil off of cactuses. It hurts. And well, it's not easy. Yeah, I hope you guys can go to Five Below and find these pots. I think they're an awesome deal. They had blue, really nice blue, and I have the blue one inside, and green. I didn't get green, I just got blue and pink. She's gonna really like this. She's probably never seen an Echeverria Lilacina. So, that's pretty cool. I have to give kudos to my husband for doing an awesome job with, you know, fixing the backyard and making the decisions that he has made. He's done really, really well. I'm really happy with that. And then that he cares, right? Some people just don't care. And he really does care a lot about his property. Okay, I was gonna wear plastic gloves at least so I can not have to wash my hands. I've been washing my hands non-stop. Non-stop. I'm gonna take the end of this. Where are you? Oop, right there. And I'm just gonna press around here so that I'm not poking myself. Oh, I hear dogs. I hope it's not them. I'm almost done. You hear the dogs barking, Bev? No. Oh. No, I'll clean it afterwards. Poor husband, he's repainting the floor. I really love this turquoise. The color of this turquoise is so pretty. This cactus. I can lay my hand on the cactus. That doesn't hurt. It's the, I don't know, the other way that it hurts. Almost done. Push that down. And I'm trying to clean after myself always. No matter how in a rush I am. I'm trying to always keep the greenhouse clean. And also I am going to be just getting rid of some old pots that I just need to get rid of. Too much stuff. Moving the greenhouse made me realize how much stuff was accumulated in here. You'd be surprised how much stuff fit in here. I was like, what? So yeah. Okay, I think it's all done. Super cute. And I could water this because it needed to be watered really badly. I'm just looking for some tweezers so I can remove this soil that's in here. Okay, that looks good. Very nice. Okay guys, so here's the final arrangement. Just want to say to all you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye guys. You guys have a blessed day.